In this video, I will show you how to fix your microphone not working on Discord. First thing you want to do, go to the voice channel and then make sure you're not accidentally muted yourself. But if this is not the issue, then what you want to do is exit, then go to settings, go to the settings here, and then scroll down, you will see voice, click on it. And then here, make sure to change the input mode to voice activity. And then here, when you're speaking, you should be able to see a green bar. If you notice you're not seeing anything, then try to disable the settings at the bottom, advanced voice activity. And then you can check back if you can see, you can hear any audio. And then you can see here the output, just keep it at the same level. And you can keep the rest of the settings the same. You can just copy my settings here, and this should fix your issue. So you can check back in the voice channel and then just join the voice channel and then make sure you're not muted, and this should fix your issue. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.